Do you imagine that you will enter paradise, and yet the incidents like of your forerunners did not come unto you? The affliction and adversity reached to them, and they were badly shaken until the messenger and the believers along with him said, when will come the help of Allah? Listen, no doubt the help of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is nigh. Hazrat Urwa bin Abi Mulaika narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu recited the verse, and so much so, when the messenger had no hope of outer causes, and the people thought that the messenger had given them wrong information at that time, our help came, and then recited this verse until the messenger and the believers along with him said, when will come the help of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? Listen, no doubt the help of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is nigh. Ibn Abi Mulaika states, I met Urwa bin Zubair and mentioned it to him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4524.